Welcome, today I'll show you how to customize your quick launch into XIAOMI 12T. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find additional settings option. Go into, here choose get the shortcuts option, and here we got some options for our quick launch. Launch Google Assistant option, take a screenshot, partial screenshot, launch camera, turn on touch. For example, if you want to activate launch camera, go into this option, activate some options what you want. For example, I want this one only. So activate this one, go back for save, and maybe turn on touch, double press the power button, and okay. Here we got message that double press the power key is used from launch camera. Replace or not this option. If we tap replace, we activate turn on touch for double press the power key. If you wanna activate our launch camera option, we tap cancel here. So I wanna replace, and it's saved automatically. Go back, go maybe into launch camera, launch Google Assistant, sorry. If you wanna turn off this option, tap on this switcher, and this position of switcher it's turned off. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.